Check out this cheap 2020 Gladiator Rubicon. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: dark saddle black leather trim, bucket seats included, full-length floor console, premium armrest, leather-wrapped park brake handle, leather-wrapped shift knob, premium door trim panel, rear armrest with cup holder seat, all-weather slush mats, quick order package 24R included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, manufacturer's statement of origin, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, black clear coat, wheels, 17x7.5 polished black aluminum, LED lighting group included, daytime running lamps, LED accents, LED park turn lamps, front LED fog lamps, LED reflector headlamps, LED tail lamps, and trailer tow package included, trailer hitch zoom class